I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming account control and scope. Are you blocking search results only, Chrome browsing, or every device? Once signed into the Google account, choose the fastest tool, Family Link for child accounts, Google Admin for managed accounts, or a Chrome extension like BlockSite for single devices. Make sure the device is connected and Chrome is updated. This avoids extension compatibility issues. Now install or open the chosen tool and move to configuration. Do not skip permissions prompts, because you will now create precise blocking rules so the restriction works reliably. In Google Admin, add the domain and use URL patterns with wildcards when needed. In Family Link, add sites to the blocked list and set time limits. If using an extension, enter exact domains and enable sync if you want the rule across devices. Once saved, enforce a password or admin lock so others can't remove the rule. After configuration, test immediately in normal and incognito windows to confirm the block behaves as intended. You finish by locking the settings and verifying persistence. Enable admin controls, require the admin password to edit rules, and confirm sync across devices. Once done, make sure to clear browser cache and restart Chrome. Many blocking tools require a restart to apply rules. If the site still appears, check DNS overrides, router-level parental controls, or VPNs that bypass local blocks, because those often conflict. Finally, retest from another network to isolate whether the block is device, network, or account-specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.